Marks day one of the partial shutdown of the federal government. While not all Americans will be directly affected, its impacts could be felt across the state.
Here's a breakdown of what's affected here. No new WIC participants will be added. However, current women's, infants, and children's benefits must still be honored. The USDA will not issue any rural housing loans, which are a major source of mortgages in this area. And checks from the VA could be in danger if the shutdown lasts for a long period of time.
The Department of Homeland Security says all non-disaster grants like state and local preparedness programs are on hold. Passports and visas aren't being processed, and the more than 14 million students who get aid through federal grants and loans may not get that money because there won't be enough federal employees to process those payments.
And when it comes to recreation, there are half dozen or so national parks in Louisiana, including the Jean Lafitte National Historical Park and the Atchafalaya National Heritage in this area. These have been closed and campers in the parks were forced to leave. Of those services affected by the shutdown, the shuttering of local IRS offices has many Acadiana residents concerned about their futures.
And tonight our Alex Labat has more on how people are moving on during the government's standstill.
At the Lafayette IRS offices, taxpayers faced a locked door.
Where we gonna go? We come here, no direction, nowhere to go. They'll tell us where to call. Nobody around to say nothing.
Only 10% of total IRS employees will be reporting to work, meaning many phone calls and knocks on doors will go unanswered.
Due to the current budget situation, all IRS offices are closed. Under federal law, all tax payment and filing deadlines remain in effect during this period.
How are we going to get things done if we don't have a telephone number, a contact, nothing? So, I mean, we can't do our job if the IRS isn't doing what they're supposed to do.
Jordan Gerard, branch manager for the Louisiana Mortgage Group, says without the IRS, many rural loans will go unprocessed, hurting the local real estate market.
So these loans are completely shut down. If you're scheduled to close today, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, and you have a USDA loan and you're waiting on the commitment from the U.S. Department of Agriculture to close, you're not going to get it.
The IRS is suspending audits for taxpayers until the government gets back to work. Gerard, Minnie, and Acadiana will have to wait to do the same.
I mean, we're going to work through it and we're going to come up with contingency plans for everything. But until it starts happening, we really don't know if it's going to be tomorrow, if it's going to be 2 months from now. I mean, if we're looking at more than 2 weeks, I think things are going to get pretty hectic.
In Lafayette, I'm Alex Labat for KATC TV3.
And while many offices and phone numbers for the IRS have been shut down, their website remains up and running. IRS.gov has links for everything you need, including resources for you to file your taxes for free. And for a complete breakdown of all the agencies and entities affected by the federal government's shutdown, you can head on over to our website, KATC.com. Well,